How to see your hidden message requests on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your hidden message requests on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Instagram application, let's first visit the App Store over here or your Play Store if you have an Android, and let's search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram. And what we're going to do here is to check if our Instagram is currently updated. This is to ensure that we will be having the latest features within the app, especially the feature of being able to hide message or see our hidden message requests on Instagram. So to know if our Instagram is up to date, if it says open like this one, that means that your Instagram is currently updated and you're good to go. However, if it shows an update button, just tap on that because that means that your Instagram is currently outdated. Once you have made sure that your Instagram is up to date, just head on and open Instagram over here. And if you are not on your home page, just click on this home icon at the bottom left hand corner, because this is where we can access our messages within our account. So just click on this messenger icon at the top right corner at the home page. And right here at this part of the screen, you should see the option that says requests. Just tap on that. And immediately you should see the section right here that says hidden requests. So just tap on that. And this is where you can basically see your hidden message requests on Instagram. So requests containing messages that may be offensive or unwanted are moved to this folder. So you can basically customize which words you think are offensive. And also Instagram has an automatic filter that detects messages that has offensive or unwanted content within their chats and immediately move them to this hidden requests folder. So if you want to see the hidden request or the hidden message, just tap on that. So this message is hidden based on my hidden words preferences. So you can accept if you like, or you can also report and delete this specific hidden message request. So this is how you can basically see your hidden message requests on Instagram. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.